Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is from Amazon Pantry. Got this Chex mix, honey mix. Normally we bought this at the Target or Walmart, but unfortunately they never restock them. So somehow my wife got on Amazon and then found this for $2.69 a bag, free shipping. I think they limit 15 bags maximum per order. So my wife just decided to go ahead and purchase all 15 bags of the Chex mix. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. So my son could start eating it. Look at that. Yep. So there are 15 bags of this honey nut, naturally and then artificial flavor, Chex mix, sweet and salty. It's 8.75 ounce. And then 60% less fat. Tastes pretty good. Go ahead and try some. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one, like always.